In this video from CountLab, we're going to demonstrate how to reset a misprogrammed department button on your CountLab 1, 2 or 3 register. So on this machine I've accidentally programmed department 1 to have a nonsensical preset price. So the first thing I want to do is to get rid of this line of the transaction, so I can void the item by pressing void and then the department button again, and we can see there's now a minus symbol on the display, so subtotal is 0, so I can now cash off that transaction with 0 balance. The next thing to do is to turn the metal key marked P round to the PRG position, which is the 6 o'clock position. When you're in the correct programming position, you'll have 0.00 on the display and the key will be here. Now we can reset the button. If you've got tax set up on the machine, your programming buttons you press will be slightly different to what I'm going to do now. If you've not got tax or VAT set up on the machine, then do exactly what I do. So in the PRG position, 000, then the check button, followed by 000, and then press the department button that's got the problem. So in my case it's department 1. You get a little receipt printout showing you the new programming for the department, so it's 0 price to standard, it has no tax and no specific status. We turn it around to the reg mode and we can now just type in a normal price and cash off the sale, so the button is now working again. If you had tax set up on the machine, then the only difference is when you reset the button, you need to enter the tax number in the first row of 3 digits, the third one. So for example, if it was tax rate 1, instead of being 000, it would be 001, then the check button, and then the same for the price, 000, same as in the first time I did it. And let's do that for department, well, let's keep it at department 1 actually. You get the little printout again, and the only difference is that tax number is now set to 1. The button works exactly the same, but it's just now got that tax rate applied to it. Okay, I hope that video has been helpful. We've got plenty more videos showing you how to get the best out of the CountLab tills. Some of those videos will be appearing on screen now, so you're welcome to check those out. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit countlab.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.